Hello everybody, this is my full guide on how to use DirectX 12 on Fortnite for the PC. The first thing you want to do is verify your graphics card supports DirectX 12. How do you do that? Press the Windows button, press R, type in DXDIAG, press enter. And this will bring up the DirectX diagnostic tool. Go to the display tab and check the feature levels on the right hand side. It should include something like 12_0 or higher 12_1, 12_2. If not, your GPU might not be able to support DirectX 12 and you need to use DirectX 11 instead, or update your hardware, of course. After you have done that, make sure that Fortnite is set to use DirectX 12. So go to Open Fortnite, go to Settings, Video, Rendering, and ensure DirectX version is set to DirectX 12. Okay. Now, one thing you can do is you can force the game to run in DirectX 11. If you're running from Steam, you can go to right-click Properties, General -DX11, and it's very similar to on the Epic Games Store. In the Epic Games Launcher, go to Settings, Fortnite, check additional command line arguments and type in -DX11 and relaunch the game. That will force it to run in DirectX 11. Now, if you're still getting errors, what you can do is reset the Fortnite's configuration. So you want to go to App Data, right here. Now you should see a folder called Fortnite saved/config, and then you want to delete the files within that folder and restart the game. They will be automatically remade, so you don't need to worry about it. And that is how you fix this issue for Fortnite on PC.